Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's nice to see you all here. But it's really winter in Chennai. Like it's really cold, misty. காதுக்குள்ள பனி போய் மூக்கு சளி வருது. So in this video we're going to see all of my sketchbooks in the last 2 years. Even though it's only been 2 years, it just feels like many years, right? And it's been like hell. And what else am I doing? I've only been drawing. I've been enjoying it a lot. Spending time with family, cake, and drawings have been predominantly all New Year stuff. I don't like loud crowds and music, loud music and dancing kind of thing. That's not my thing. But a lot of people do it and they enjoy it, and that's great. So, you do you, me do me. Me do me. Anyway, apart from that, I did I sold t-shirts. I think last year some of my really good friends supported me by buying my t-shirts, which had these dog prints, these dog illustrations that I've been working on. I think I'm going to do more of them. These illustrations are based on street doggos around the city. I'm eating cookie and drinking coffee before shooting the sketchbooks. I really don't know where I am still, like in terms of, do I like gradients, do I like vintage stuff, do I like pop stuff, do I like 60s Indian. But I'm hoping to draw more digital illustration because I think that's really where I want to be. I like that it's quick, it's like easy to present it to my audience, and I also hope to grow my audience on the coming years. I'm eating this is my third cookie today. It's from my neighbors for Christmas. So I don't know if cookie is good for the cold, but I just want to eat it. So. Okay, let's get into the sketchbooks. This is a scholar book. It's a bit blotty. You can see that. I've done more illustrations. It's a little out of focus. The camera is becoming a bit. Sketchbook is this one. It's the says we'll see what she makes with this book. Yeah, we'll see. Obviously, I can start it with cats. This is I think a gouache. This is a gouache sketch painting. Yeah, this is something that's totally out of character for me. I don't draw stuff like this. Oil pastel collages, paper cut work, and I loved it. This is my cat and this is his poop. This is a project, this is an ongoing, this is a sketch for an ongoing project, and I have not yet contacted my client and given them an update, so that's really bad on my part, but I hope to get back into it soon. This is a little portrait of my leg. I've been going through something like medically for my skin on my feet, and it's been hell. It's been really bad this year, and but it's getting really better. It's healing, and I hope it heals faster and sooner, so I can gain more confidence in myself. I really love this piece. It really speaks to me about what was happening. Something was really growing out of me. Maybe all of my toxic stuff was just like kind of turned into a character and was trying to come out of my skin or something. It was bad. It's still bad, but it's getting a little better. And I'm also partially putting off people because of that, but it's I'm slowly regaining confidence to meeting people again. Okay, let's go to the next sketch. I haven't drawn that many chickens, I guess. Oh yeah, actually the previous year I have previous sketchbook I have some chickens. I'll show you guys. One of the only crowd sketches I did this year, and this is all with gouache, but this is all with ink, regular ink. Most favorite place in the world, my bathroom. I was trying to draw the Phil McIndrew list of 400 things to draw for a prompt by Brush Up Club. This is the first prompt. They had like the Inktober prompts, but I haven't worked on the rest of them. I just want to use the brush pen again. I just want to try it out. So these are colored with it. The rest of it is inked with a regular black pen. This is also a prompt by Brush Up Club for squirrel and garden, botanical garden and squirrel. So that's the drawing. This was a drawing of me with the dogs and the cats outside on my lane. It's also worked with a Pentel brush pen. I've not finished it because I don't know how to color in the parts without losing the silhouettes, So I've kind of left it like how it is. Like all of these patterns are actually the light falling through the trees, the street light falling through the trees in the night. I spent like half an hour drawing this, and it was really enjoyable, like thrilling in a way where like you want to make sure no one's looking over you, no one's looking at your drawings while you're drawing, because you're just afraid to answer questions while you're actually developing something. So this sketchbook is done. Let's go to the next one. So this is my 2020 sketchbook. So I was drawing some characters from the dark. I haven't watched this series after the first season. It didn't do it for me. I don't know. Like the second season just didn't do it for me. This is a gift of 2020. Maybe one of the very few gifts entertainment-wise, at least for me. When this particular show by Naveen Richard, it's on Prime, so do check it out. Then I did a series of paintings from Wes Anderson films. So this is one of it. These are all gouache studies. I really love how this has come out. I'm still trying to figure out how to paint the faces really well. When they say, understand that when the crows are white, I think they mean like when the plastic covers are flying in the sky, which is, we are there right now. So it's a really dark place that we are in right now. Anyway, and let's go to the next. This is the only mermaid I did for 2020. When life gives you a lemon, you can put it on top of a leopard. I was trying out something for Wizard of Earthsea, but I haven't finished it. There's more of it. I really love this series by Ursula K. Le Guin. There's some eyes, nose, ear explorations that I can use in the future when I draw like characters. After this, I did a lot of sports illustrations because I took this class on Skillshare by Tom Froese. So yeah, it's called Odd Bodies. These are more illustrations for the same course, and I think they've come out well. More fashion illustrations from pictures on Pinterest and from the Chanel lookbook. So many of the sketches on this sketchbook actually turn into final digital illustrations that you can see on my Instagram handle. And I've drawn for many topics throughout the year, like sometimes environment, a lot of it is like fashion or from films. And I also have drawn kittens. Uh, Sometimes I've drawn when I was listen to a podcast. So some of these illustrations also make me think of a specific podcast episode. Does it happen to any of you? Like it'll be like this really quaint garden, but then I would have listened to a crime story, so I'm thinking about that now. And I did a lot of illustrations where it's just me. Yeah, I worked on a lot of oil pastels on origami paper. This is also one of my favorite illustrations. I worked on this boat illustrations because predominantly I was thinking about the boat, and also I was spending a lot of time with my family on the terrace. So there's a lot of terrace and boat illustrations during the pandemic. This sketchbook has all of my Map Crunch illustrations, or actually sketches, which I worked on for only 1 month. But you can, if you want to see exactly which places that I map crunched, you can see that on my highlights, also on my Instagram. It was a very enjoyable 1 month. Like every day I would wake up and do map crunch. I don't know, this year maybe I'll get to do some routine thing like this. This is the only illustration I've done of the Besanaga beach. I think at the end of 2020 or beginning of 21. This also, so beginning of 2021. I just went by the beach, I think, and then came home to get some air. And this was a really nice sketch to make. Hey, Kukumar is back again, probably wanting to destroy my sketchbook. They love to scratch all the paper out of my sketchbook. These terrace sketches are also from the pandemic time that we used to spend as a family on the terrace with the 3 cats. These are probably only in 2021, like March. I guess even the beach is probably only 2021. This is an illustration of my mother listening to music and dancing. And this is also sunset on my terrace. These are more oil pastel paper cut illustrations. And that's my father gardening. And yeah, this one didn't turn out so well. It's supposed to be Kolkata. More chickens, the end. Hey guys, so thank you for checking out my video. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel and share it with more people if you think they like it. Anyway, this year I've made very few videos, and they are short videos except for this one that you just watched. But the upcoming year, I plan to make more weekly vlogs. Also, maybe any places that I visit that has interesting art. Maybe interviews with artists to show their process, especially like the Chennai or Indian artists. But a lot of Chennai, I think, will be nice. And yeah, pretty much that's it.